What can be done about stress? I've always likened it to a deep underlying just this tightness inside. The medicine can help fight the upper layer, but there's a bottom layer to it. What they call chronic stress. It's a gut feeling. And it remained despite whatever pill I took. Many think MS is out of our control, but they are mistaken. When the escape finally appeared to me, I grabbed onto it and never let go. Hey, it's Steve. One of the very first hurdles I faced in my fight against MS was stress. Susie made me laugh out loud when I read one of her comments. She saw my mom doing her happy claps. And Susie tells me she does exactly the same thing. Imagine that. I'm so happy. I'm always happy these days. Remyelination has changed my life completely. It makes life feel so bright, exciting, and worth living. And I love talking about it. I'm sure all of you watching want to smile and be uplifted. Well, here it is. Susie doesn't have MS. She has low vitamin B12 and some demyelination because of it. She's currently having B12 shots done. A lot of her symptoms mimic MS symptoms. So getting right to the point, what we want, what we share, is our desire to have our myelin back. One of her comments starts by saying, when I began my treatment, I lay in bed, crying, thinking I had made the biggest mistake of my life by starting injections. She went on and said something that shot straight to my heart and my memories. I didn't have the mental or emotional energy to talk to anyone else. I had become a terrible, selfish friend, and no one wanted to understand or stick it out with me. When she said that, it instantly connected me to her. I was that same terrible, selfish friend. I was 23. My friends and I were young and naive and couldn't comprehend what MS would eventually do to me. Even though I didn't feel that way right after my diagnosis in 2004, eventually MS crept in. Just that slow creep we all know. It was a chronic disease that brought chronic stress. And that chronic stress just remained for the longest time. I guess I voiced my fears to them once too many times. One by one, all of them, I think, had enough listening to my crying and slowly drifted away. I was left alone. Living by myself, 3,000 miles from home. No family, no friends. Nobody that cared at all about me. I'm what they call a social introvert. Basically, if we're one-on-one, or if I'm in a small group, I'm social and outgoing. But if I enter a crowd, a big crowd, I turn to being shy. And I think that's when my introverted side comes out and just keeps my mouth closed. But I think when I got sick, it was different. There wasn't a big crowd, but it might as well have been a big crowd in my head, because I just started to be consumed in my own thoughts. I fear a future of chronic disease, completely and utterly alone. That feeling amplified my stress. I was so scared. Multiple sclerosis is scary. There's so many unknowns to it. The hopes of my future slowly morphed from once being bright and hopeful to being dark and scary. And I couldn't escape it. I tried and failed countless times. Different antidepressants, different medications, everything. I mean, they all worked, but there was just, as I said, there was an underlying feeling inside of me that I just couldn't escape. But we are not doomed to remain bound to stress. Scientifically, there's evidence that we can change the structure of and types of chemicals in the brain. And yes, I know. I mean, I used to think, but now I know we can restore our myelin. I didn't learn how to do it from a book. I lived, learned, and figured it out all by myself. Then I took what I learned and I made it a lifestyle. A lifestyle I love. Now I can confidently say that stress has forever left. I haven't felt the symptom for years. My focus now is exclusively on protecting my myelin, because I know MS wants to come back, but I won't give it a chance. And despite what my MS doctors would probably say, the brain has an ability to heal and make new myelin no matter at what age we are. The essential elements have become the cornerstone of my life. I love them so much. They help me break the cycle of stress. And not only did they give me hope, they gave me real, honest results. Everything that MS took slowly returned. One of the very first comments I got from Susie was on my video about stress. It made me think long and hard about it. And I realized stress depends almost entirely on our perception of it. At this moment, right now, You might perceive that there is no escape from MS. But there is. Believe me, there is. Your future without this disease is waiting. And Susie, I'm not forgetting about you. Whether it be the immune system or vitamin B12, it doesn't matter. The essentials will restore your myelin as well. Everyone. So start clapping your hands and never lose focus. I told Susie, she inspired me to make this video. Yay! Susie inspires Steve! You can be like Angela. She says, much of my MS stress that I experienced has already been alleviated. You gave me hope and that inspiration that this disease will not cripple me forever. Yay! Steven inspires Angela! It's your typical inspiration party we have going on over here. Want to join in? Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.